My strength is in the nature. Oh, my strength is in the nature. Oh, my strength, my strength, my strength is in nature. Ikenkem sinokike. Oh, Ikenkem sinokike. Ikenkem, Ikenkem. Ikenkem sinokike. Ikenkem sinokike abia. Ikenkem osinakose bulu. Ikenkem, Ikenkem, Ikenkem sinokike. My strength is from the nature, and the nature simply means the sky, earth, sun, moon, and star, the air, the water, and fire. Yes, darkness and light. That is what makes up the nature. And everything we are revolves in this thing that I mentioned. My strength is from the nature. Our strength is from the nature. When you think about it, your own strength is also from the nature, because without all these things, you will not be. Thank you for listening. One love, keep us together.